Hello traders, welcome to the video. In this video I want to show you a quick strategy that you can use to catch spike and also retracement in the boom and crash market. So this strategy I'm about to show you works for jump, works for volatility, and also works for the boom. So it all depends on the type of market that you trade. So what you can just do is to pick maybe two of the pairs in volatility or two of the pairs in boom and crash, because if you pay attention to many pairs you might not be able to catch a better move in this strategy. So the good thing about price action in trading is that it can be used for any chart and it can be used for catching spike and retracement in the boom and crash market. It all depends on you. You don't rely on any indicator. You are the one that make confirmation for yourself. As we all know that when market is moving in an uptrend, market don't just move in one straight line. You know that market moves like this: retrace, up, retrace, up, retrace, up. So, and when market is moving in a downtrend, you see it like this, just like this, downtrend. So if you go to your chart, you will see that that is exactly what is happening. But the problem is it is not as clear as this that you see over here. It will look somehow like you see over here. This is 1, 2. It might be longer, it might be shorter, but market is still generating that retracement before the down move. What is our main focus for this strategy? Our main focus is, let's say this is uptrend. Our main focus will be placed at these areas because we want to catch the continuation of the move. This continuation of the move. So here will be our focus. So this strategy will require us using two time frames. We'll be using the 30 minutes time frame and the 1 minute time frame. I am on the 30 minutes time frame. When you are on the 30 minutes time frame, we will look for area when market is in an uptrend. So what you need is market generating something like this break. Once you see this break to the upside, this is indicating to you that market will now continue on a uptrend. So this is the first thing you must see, one, and a break of the first swing. So this will confirm to you that market is now going on an uptrend. The next thing you are waiting for is market to create another retracement like you see over here. So let's say you are at this point. Let's imagine all these ones are not there. So you will just take your rectangle tool and mark out that last area. You can also use your line, but I think rectangle is more accurate. Then you will go to your 1 minute time frame and look for that particular area. So as you can see over here, this is the area that we mark out on our 30 minutes time frame. So you will look for where candle closes outside the block that you draw outside the rectangle that you draw. You can enter a buy here and you put your stop loss below this triangle. You see, market spikes down but will not break this triangle, because this triangle is your last defense. Anything that makes market to break below this triangle, the market will continue on a downtrend. So once you press a buy here, your stop loss below here, you see a spike once, and then market begins to retrace to the upside. Spike, retrace to the upside, continues to the upside like that. You see how many profits you will be able to cash. So once you see a bigger spike that occurs after you enter the market, then you will exit at that point. So then you wait for another opportunity. So let me show you one more example. Let's use this place for another example. So this is how you mark your zone. Once you see the retracement, which is this downside, then you put your rectangle tool at the last tip of it to know when market will break it. So we go to our 1 minute time frame and look for that level. So you see over here, this one is even much more better. You see market breaks out at this point, then you click a buy, you will put your stop loss below here. This rectangle is your last defense. So the market spike down and retest the rectangle, then market continues to milk to the upside. So once you see this big spike, you exit your trade. And you can also just count 10 candles or 20 candles depending on your psychology, but what I see to work most is this one I am showing you: spike, spike, retrace to the upside, then a big spike, then you close your market after a long candle to the upside. So let me show you how you can catch spike with this strategy. Let's go to boom 1000. Like I said, this price action strategy works perfectly in these markets. Like I said, first thing you want to see is something like this. Market should close above this swing over here. So once you have that, you take your rectangle tool and mark out that level. Then you go to your 1 minute time frame and look for that level that you just marked. This is it over here. Once this candle spikes to the upside and you see it close above the rectangle that you've drawn, you will enter a sell at this point. You see market generated 1, 2, 3 candles before you see a longer spike. So here, once you see a single spike to the upside, you close your profit because market is likely to still retrace back to your entry before you see another spike. So 1 or 2 spike, then exit the market, because nobody knows what will happen next in this market. So we are just here to try and use our strategies to make money out of the market. Everything here is 50-50. Nothing is 100% guaranteed in this market. Let me show you one more example. So we have this swing up that breaks above this level, then we will take our rectangle tool to mark out this level. You can also use it to catch the retracement of the bull market if you want. Everything all depends on you. So if you go to the 1 minute time frame after you've marked that level, this is the level. Like I said, this triangle is your last line of defense. So this is the last spike that closed above the rectangle. You will put your stop loss below the rectangle. You see market retrace. That if you are using the lowest lot size in the bull market, the money you will be losing is not that much. So once you see this long retracement, you know if market want to pump out, it will be very strong. So you are not closing your profit here, you are still waiting. So below here, retrace, spike, retrace, spike, retrace, spike, retrace, and give you a very big spike. So once you see a very big spike above your entry in this type of situation, you must exit the trade immediately. You see market retrace back to this point before you see another spike, but here you have closed your trade, you have leave. So you want to make sure that your entry point and your take profit point is far from each other when cashing spike. And I'm not saying that you should be waiting till the market spike to the moon. You are only waiting for a nice profit before you leave. So that way it can actually help you to make better money, because if you see the single spike, you wait to see another spike. From here, your entry here to this point will be too small, so you can still wait a bit and catch a longer spike. The purpose of the 30 minutes time frame is to help you to determine the direction of the trend, and I want you to make sure that the market that you want to trade is as clear as possible, so you guys can see that the areas I pick out for you guys is very clear. So this area like this, you see, this is just a one swing down, spike to the upside. So if you come to pick areas like this before you see a close, that one is risk, because market did not give you a single spike, it only did something like this, spike, then create a lot of consolidation before you see another spike. In situation like that, you must avoid trading that. Then this also is spike, another retracement, but did not close above, spike again. So here also is also risky, so you must look for a very clear, like this is a very clear one. So now I want you to go back on your chart, backtest this strategy and forward trade it using your demo account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. And also check out my other YouTube videos that are displayed right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.